Zoink! Zoink, are you there?
It's me, Zoink, reporting from Earth.
Great to hear you, Zoink. It's been 5 years since we left you on Earth. What do you have to report?
I've been very busy. I've had so many experiences. I've swum in the big blue sea. I've climbed high mountains. I've run through fields of flowers.
Okay, that's all fine and swell, but we sent you to study people. Humans. What have you learned about human beings?
Well, I've learned they're highly intelligent and very independent. And they like to play with balls.
With balls?
Yes, balls. And they sleep a lot. I've seen some humans sleep 20 hours a day.
But when do they work?
I've never seen them work.
When do they study?
Well, I've never seen them study either. But I have seen them chase their tails.
But humans don't have tails.
And when they're hungry, I've heard them make really loud noises. Really, really loud. And they keep making these noises until they get food.
Noises? What kind of noises?
Oh, okay, so it's like this. Meow. Meow. Meow.
But that's the sound a cat makes. Oh no, Zoink, I'm afraid you've been studying cats, not humans.
But you showed me a picture. Remember? You said, that's a human. Study it.
But I didn't mean the cute fluffy creature with pointy ears and a tail. I meant the other one.
Oh, dear. I guess there's been a mix-up. I thought, oh no.
Zoink, I can't believe this. You messed up everything. Our study's a disaster. This is terrible. Horrible. 5 years. What a waste. Ah!